enthusiastic learners, welcome back to NIEL. I am Prakshi Mendiratta back again with one more video that is all about phrasal verb. Phrasal verbs are an important aspect of English and learning them can greatly improve your conversational and written skills. So let's dive into this lecture. To begin with, we have turn up. Turn up means अचानक से वहाँ पर पहुँच जाना बिना किसी expectation के. To arrive or appear often unexpectedly. Example, उसे कोई invitation नहीं मिला था but पता नहीं वो आ गया. He didn't RSVP but he turned up at the party anyway. Next we have break up. कोई relationship को तोड़ देना means to end a romantic relationship. Example, उन्होंने काफ़ी साल की dating के बाद break up किया. They decided to break up after years of dating. Next we have give up. हार मान लेना है किसी चीज़ को छोड़ देना usually क्योंकि वो difficult है या फिर आप हार मान चुके हो. To stop doing something usually because it is difficult or you have lost hope. Example, उसने अपने डॉक्टर बनने की ड्रीम पे कभी हार नहीं मानी. She didn't give up on her dream of becoming a doctor. Next we have take off. Take off has two meanings. The very first one is to remove clothing and next we have that is used to fly basically for airplanes. Example, he took off his jacket before entering the warm room and next we can say the plane will take off in 30 minutes. Now we have look forward to meaning to anticipate something with pleasure or excitement. किस चीज़ के बेसब्री से इंतज़ार करना. Example, आप किसी को बोल रहे हो कि यार पार्टी में ना मिलते हैं या मिलने का एक एहसास होना है. I look forward to see you at the party. Next we have bring up. Bring up means कोई चीज़ को mention करना या introduce करना basically discussions में. To mention or introduce a topic for a discussion. Example, वो एक issue लेकर आई budget के increase का meeting के दौरान. She brought up the issue of increasing the budget during the meeting. Now we have put off. Put off simply means किसी चीज़ को delay कर देना, postpone करते चले जाना. Example, they decided to put off the project until next month. Here we have one more, run out of means उस चीज़ की खत्म होते चले जाना. To deplete or exhaust the supply of something. Example, we ran out of milk so I couldn't make coffee. दूध खत्म हो गया था इसलिए मैं कॉफ़ी नहीं बना सकी. Next we have look up. Look up means to search for something in reference source. Basically dictionary में देखना है कुछ online किसी चीज़ के बारे में search करना. Example, अगर तुम्हें कुछ word नहीं समझ आता तो तुम उसमें देख सकते हो, online देख सकते हो. If you don't know the meaning of a word, you can look it up online. Last but not the least, we have set up. Means to establish or arrange something like a meeting or equipment. Example, उन्होंने next Friday के लिए एक meeting set up करी है. They set up a meeting for the next Friday to discuss the project. So guys, this was all about phrasal verbs for today's lecture. Revise it once, use it in your day-to-day life. Stay tuned for more videos.